Bitcoin stalls below $28,000, investors focus inflation data. FCA issues alerts following new crypto marketing regime. Avalanche-based Star Arena falls victim to a $3 million hack. Pfizer-backed Dow launches community-funded biotech firm. Ethereum Foundation swaps Ether worth $2.7 million. Ether dips. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Shikha Singh. Leading virtual digital assets have turned lower Monday morning. The market participants are focusing the release of key inflation data as well as the start of third quarter earnings season. During Asian trade, price of Bitcoin, the world's most valuable cryptocurrency, stayed below $28,000. Market is currently resting at around $27,820, down 0.57%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto in market value, was quoting 0.71% lower at $1,626. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us about the global cryptocurrency market.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.5% at 35,030 points. In an interesting news, Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, has reported a significant increase in its XRP holdings, with over 2.738 billion tokens worth over $1.35 billion. This is due to investors depositing XRP into exchanges in the past month. The global financial markets are likely to witness a renewed volatility due to the geopolitical situation in the Middle East. However, as per analysts, that could provide opportunities for some smaller protocols. Ripple's XRP, the fifth largest cryptocurrency, could be gearing up for a rally. Link is another token that can see some action in its price, analysts have said. Meanwhile, a whale transaction, which can trigger a domino effect on the market, was spotted on exchanges. As per on-chain data, a particular whale has woken up from a 3-year slumber, moving their 5,000 BTC worth $137 million for the first time since 2020. Iris Energy, a Canadian Bitcoin mining firm, has increased its computer fleet by 25% to 7.0 exahash per second, bringing its total hash rate from 5.6 to 7.0 exahash per second by adding 7,000 of Bitmain's newest 21S miners, costing the company $19.6 million. This expansion comes just 6 months before Bitcoin's anticipated halving event. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.07 trillion mark, decreasing 1.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 28% to $20.3 billion. Additionally, Marathon Digital, a prominent Bitcoin mining firm, experienced a 245% increase in Bitcoin production in September 2023, with 1,242 BTC mined, a 16% rise from August. The main driver was a 508% rise in the installed hash rate. CEO Fred Thiel, US stock futures traded lower as the attack on Israel by Palestinian militants adds geopolitical risk to an already fragile market dealing with inflation and surging interest rates. Meanwhile, futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 125 points or 0.4%. S&P 500 futures lost 0.5%, while Nasdaq 100 futures slipped 0.6%. Bitcoin was trading at $25,550, down by 1.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2%, trading at $1,595. BNB was down by 1.3% to trade at $208. Solana Sol was down 4.3% and was trading at $22.4. Cardano Media token was down by 1.7% to trade at $0.25. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $9.8, lower by 3.3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 3.5% to trade at $0.54. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3.7% at $0.058. Shiba Inu was trading down by 4.3%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.49, down by 4.3%. Polkadot was down by 4% to trade at $3.9.
Thank you, Vishaka, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The UK's Financial Conduct Authority has issued 146 new alerts following the launch of a new cryptocurrency marketing regime. The alerts concern promotional activities related to crypto assets, and it is expected that various entities will acknowledge the alerts and help protect consumers' interests. Consumers are encouraged to consult the warning list before engaging in crypto-related investments to assess if a firm's promotional activities may be in violation of the law. The regulatory approach is risk-based, and the list will undergo continuous updates as the authority identifies firms that may be unlawfully promoting crypto assets without engaging in constructive dialogue. The Financial Conduct Authority has emphasized that purchasing crypto assets is a high-risk investment, and individuals should be prepared for potential loss. Since 8 October 2023, entities promoted crypto assets in the UK, and they have to authorize or get registered by the FCA or have their marketing materials approved. Promotions must be transparent, equitable, and free from misleading information. Risk warnings must be prominently displayed, and investments should be inappropriately encouraged. These regulations apply to all firms marketing crypto assets to UK consumers, regardless of their location or promotional technology. Stars Arena, a social media app, has lost around $3 million worth of AVAX tokens from its smart contract due to an exploit. The avalanche-based protocol confirmed the attack, urging users not to deposit funds. The hack drained nearly all funds, with the total value locked at $0.051. Security analysts at ApexShield attribute the vulnerability to a re-entrance issue. Stars Arena suffered a $3 million hack, with hackers stealing 266,000 AVAX tokens and transferring them to a fixed float crypto exchange. The site is currently under a distributed denial of service attack, and Stars Arena is working on a solution to recover funds and move forward. The hack was the second in just 1 week, with the team patching a vulnerability that caused around $2,000 in losses on October 5th. The smart contract will reopen after a full security audit. The first biotech company, Matrix Biosciences, has been established by VitaDAO, a decentralized autonomous organization devoted to sponsoring and advancing early-stage longevity research. The collaboration with Dr. Vera, co-chair of the University of Rochester's Aging Research Center, was approved by the community almost unanimously earlier this year, and the launch came after that. In the beginning of 2024, more financing will be provided to Matrix Bio through the fractionalization of IP NFTs designed to stand in for intellectual property after an initial payment of $300,000 from VitaDAO. VitaDAO's platform Molecule uses technology for IP NFT fractionalization, allowing researchers to list NFT projects. The additional funding target will be determined based on Matrix Bio's needs, as their last fractionalization project was oversubscribed. The Ethereum Foundation, a significant contributor to the growth and ecosystem of the Ethereum network, sold some of the Ethereum tokens that were allotted to it. On the decentralized exchange Uniswap, a wallet identified as grant provider on blockchain tracker Etherscan exchanged over 1,700 ETH for $2.7 million in USDC. The Ethereum Foundation's sale of ETH tokens caused a response in the cryptocurrency market. Within few hours, the price of Ether dropped by about 1.5%, and during the next 24 hours, it increased to 1.8%. The value of Ether temporarily fell as a result of this occurrence, which also had an impact on other significant tokens. The Ethereum Foundation, which holds nearly $1.29 billion worth of Ethereum, holds a significant role in funding and supporting the development of applications and programs on the Ethereum network. As of April 2022, it held approximately $300 million in non-crypto investments. Although not a centralized authority, its actions can significantly influence token prices and investor sentiment within the Ethereum ecosystem. This recent sale is the part of the Ethereum Foundation's periodic token sales to cover operational costs and support ongoing development efforts. Now let's have a look at the buzzing coins of the day. First on the list, we have ThorSwap. ThorSwap exchange has temporarily halted trading activities due to suspicious transactions involving funds from the FTX exploiter wallet, which had drained significant funds from Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX after its bankruptcy. The exploiter has also started converting Ether into Threshold Networks TBTC tokens, a bridged version of Bitcoin. ThorSwap's developer emphasized the team's strong stance against any criminal actions. ThorSwap developers have transitioned their platform into maintenance mode to prevent further illicit activities. They plan to maintain this mode until a robust solution is implemented, ensuring the platform's security and integrity. Despite a pause in trading operations, other services like lending, borrowing, and staking continues to operate without interruption. ThorSwap was trading at $0.15, down 1.80% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Solana. The Solana network has adopted version 1.16 of the Solana Labs validator client following an extensive audit process and volunteer efforts. The version has passed stress tests and has been running on the testnet since June 7, 2023. A small subset of volunteer nodes has also been updated to version 1.16, primarily focusing on changes for Solana validators. The version 1.16 release of Solana introduces features such as private transfers, which uses zero-knowledge proofs to encrypt SPL token balances, and transaction amounts, focusing on increasing user privacy. It also improves Solana's zero-knowledge capabilities with improved runtime support for calculations, specifically 128-bit elliptic curve operations. The update also reduces RAM usage for validators by default indexing accounts on disk. Additionally, it supports resizable accounts, allowing programs to be deployed with smaller computational sizes and expanded to accommodate memory differences. Solana was trading at $23, down near 1.40% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $9 billion. Next on the list, we have Cardano. A social media debate has erupted over Cardano blockchain founder Charles Hoskinson's alleged abandonment of projects and promises, with Hoskinson defending the progress and governance of the blockchain in response to accusations from ex-user Fabian. Hoskinson responded to criticism of Fabian's claims about Ethiopia project, stating that it is still in active development despite challenges from war and educational administration shifts. He clarified the status of IELE as a research project and emphasized that the ERC20 converter was used by projects like SingularityNet but was mostly deprotected for other initiatives. Hoskinson also questioned Fabian's motivation behind the accusations. The community's reaction was varied, with some suggesting Hoskinson should block or mute critics, while others criticized Hoskinson's tone, arguing that name-calling might not be the most effective way to address concerns. The community's reaction to the exchange was mixed, with some users suggesting that dialogue should remain open. However, Cardano was trading at $0.25, up 0.28% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $9 billion. Next on the list, we have HTX. Cryptocurrency exchange HTX has recovered 5,000 Ether from a hacker in late September and has honored its 5% white hat bonus offer to the hacker. The hacker drained funds from one of the HTX hot wallets. The exchange confirmed the hacker's identity and paid a white hat reward of 250 Ether. HTX advisor Justin Sun confirmed the recovery and promised the hacker a white hat reward. The hacker left a message during the recovery transaction suggesting they were trying to inform the exchange about the hack and how to avoid future incidents. The attacker instructed the user to change the system hot wallet address and decrease the system hot wallet rate due to a system hot wallet private key leak. HTX was trading at $2.32, down 1.20% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $375 million. Last on the list, we have BNB. An early Binance coin holder re-entered the market by depositing 7,005 BNB, equivalent to $1.48 million, back into Binance. This follows a history of significant transactions, including withdrawal of $1.8 million in 2017 to 2018 and a subsequent deposit of $56 million when BNB's price was $112. Traditionally, early whales moves are associated with bearish signals, leading to speculation about an impending market correction. Binance Coin is nearing a 3-year low, just 10% away from its current value. The main question is whether an early investor decided to sell their holdings to hedge against a potential collapse. The uncertainty surrounding this move has increased interest in the BNB price chart as it could shape the future of the popular token. BNB was trading at $211, down 0.26% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $32 billion. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Shikha Singh, signing off. For more such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code to know more.